Hey guys, it's Claire, and today I'll be letting you know how to join a Hytale server. Before we get started, if you're hosting your own server, make sure it has been authenticated. If you need help with that process, check the video linked in the description below. However, all you have to do first is head over to your Server.pro panel and select your Hytale server from the dashboard. Then make sure the server is online. If it's offline, click the start button and wait for it to finish booting up. Once that's done, locate the server's IP address on top of the panel. Click the copy icon next to the IP address to copy it to your clipboard. Now all you have to do is open Hytale. Go to the main menu and then click Servers. Then select Add Server. In the connection address field, paste the IP address you copied earlier. In the name field, enter any name you'd like. This is just for your reference. Once you're done, click Add Server. You'll then see your server listed and all you have to do is double click it to join. And that's it, you're now connected to your Hytale server. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to play more multiplayer games with your friends, you can go ahead and check out Server.pro.